Hello, and welcome again to Mr. Benjamin's Math World. In our previous video, we were talking about how to find the percent of a number. Now, we are going to find a number as a percent of another number. Example. Let's say you are making $80 a week, and your boss tells you, I'm going to give you $20 a week in addition to the $80 that you're making. And you say, okay, but I want to know what percent is that of my salary. This is the exercise. 20 is what percent of your salary. 20 is the additional money that you're going to be making every week. You want to know what percent of your salary. Let's solve. 20 is X percent. If you remember from our previous video, X percent means X over 100 of times 80 over 1. 20 equals, multiply the numerators, multiply denominators, or we could also simplify. Cancel out 0, cancel out 1 0. We multiply the numerators. Again, x times 8 is 8x. 10 times 1 equals 10. 10 is dividing, goes multiplying. Remember, if you move one term from one side to another side of the equal sign, you have to use the opposite of the operation. The 10 is dividing. On the right side, it goes multiplying to the left side. So what I have is 20 times 10 equals 8x, because I already moved the 10 from the right to the left. 20 times 10 is 200 equals 8x. In order to find the x, I need to get rid of the 8, and the 8 is multiplying the x, because x and 8x means 8 times x. So since 8 is multiplying, it comes dividing to the left side. So I have 200 divided by 8 that comes dividing equals x. 200 divided by 8 is 25 equals x. So the answer is 25%. If you receive $20 in addition to the $80 you're making a week, you are receiving 25% over your base salary of $80 a week. Let's see example number 2. 6.75 equals X percent of 45. This is money we're talking about. $6.75 is what percent of $45? Again, 6.75 equals X percent, which means X over 100 of, which is times 45 over 1. This is 6.75 equals, multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. X times 45 is 45x over 100 times 1 is 100. I'm moving the 100 to the left. This is dividing. The opposite of division is multiplication. So 100 comes multiplying to the left side. So I have 6.75 times 100 equals 45x. 6.75 times 100 equals 675 equals 45x. Remember, when you multiply times 100 or 10 or 1,000, a multiple of 10, all you need to do is move the point to the right as many zeros as you have. You have two zeros, so you just move the point 2 steps to the right. This will be 1 and 2. And that's the way you know very fast that 6.75 times 100 equals to 675 equals 45x. The 45 is multiplying on the right side. The opposite of multiplication is division. So the 45 comes dividing to the left. So I have 675 divided by 45 equals x. 675 divided by 45 is equals to 15 equals x. The answer is 15%. So if you are making $45 a week, for example, and you are receiving 6.75 more, it means that you are receiving 15% over your base salary of $45. And this is the way you find a number as a percent of another. If you think this was an useful class, please feel free to subscribe and activate the bell in order to receive further notifications. And also, if you have a specific topic of your interest, just write it down in your comment. See you next time.